In today's video, I'm gonna explain and fix the problem of we cannot send a text message to this phone number on Twitter. So hello guys, if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem and then I'm gonna explain what it is. So first thing is open the settings, go to the apps, go to Twitter, click on the force stop option right here, click on the storage, click on clear data like this, click on delete, go back, open the Play Store, search for Twitter and update it like this. That's the first thing. That's the fix. So now I'm gonna talk what is this problem. The problem is from Twitter actually. You should just update it because as you may know, Elon Musk just bought Twitter and there is a lot of changing are going there. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.